He'll join.
Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaya live at 5. And first of all, a happy Father's Day to all of you. So, today we are live on two pages, that is Small Wonders and Parent Station page. And as I had promised today, that I will be inviting a few fathers and we are going to have a conversation, a candid conversation with them. So, it's already set. So, before I invite all the fathers, on here and I tell something about them, let me tell you something about the role of fathers that I feel. Fathers are the most unsung, unnoticed, and untalked people. So I always love this show the most because herein I bring the fathers and they get all the chance to speak. So I invite here Mr. Nishant Machar. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Hi, everybody.
Sir. Hello, sir.
I
So
hope
let
you're
us
all
know
doing good.
something about yourself, sir.
My name is Nishant Machhar. My daughter Urja, who will be turning 3 in July. Uh, this was supposed to be her second semester, but because of the pandemic, the school has been shut. So she's been with Small Wonders since November 2019, and yeah, she's been doing excellent and enjoying every day. So much so that, whenever we try to go out for a chakkar, she always asks me, "Are we going to the school?" She misses the school that much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir. And then on this panel, we have another exciting dad, Mr. Bhavesh Choitani. Bhavesh, sir, welcome and let us know something about yourself.
Hello, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting and happy Father's Day to all the fathers. And a small introduction: a father to two small naughty daughters. Both of them have passed out from small wonders under Harsha, ma'am, and a businessman by nature.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. So we had third dad over here, Mr. Ashwin, but we have lost him due to some internet connectivity. So the first question to Mr. Nishant, as the format is that I will be going to ask some questions to you related to the fatherhood. So the first question goes here, Nishant sir, that what is the role of a father?
The role of a father. I'm still learning, actually. uh, I think, being a father takes a lifetime of experience. People who have been parents, they know, of course, all of them know better. But just like a mother, whose role is very important in a child's development, a father's role is equally important in a child's development, I feel, because a father also shapes a child in a certain way. If I were to summarize it in one sentence, if the mother is the earth, then the father is the sky. You-
Beautifully
you-
summarized.
yeah, in one sentence. But the way a child learns about family from his or her mother, the child learns about the society from his or her father, how to relate to people, how to stand up to them. Also, a sense of security is imparted by the father, emotional, physical. And of course, all fathers, the amount of hard work they put into bringing up a child. uh, the gender roles, the lines are very thin now. Not to say that women are not doing their bit, they are doing things that men could never do. But
Yeah, okay.
like I said, the role of a father is very, very important in
Very.
development of a child. Yeah.
So wonderfully, wonderfully summarized. And we have Ashwin sir back with us. Hello, Ashwin sir.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry for the delay. I just got disconnected actually.
That's okay. That's okay. So it's Bhavesh sir's turn for now to answer the question role of a father.
A role of father, like it's an ongoing process.
Pooja.
The role of father cannot be put into the words, like as we say. A father is a man who brings up his family, who always cares about and is beyond about the well-being of his family, be it its parents, its the wife of a man or his children. That's it. So my father, like we cannot describe his role in a but he's a breadwinner for them. He's a man who leads by example. He's a man who pushes them to move forward if a child stops at some place. So he's a man behind every success of a child or father. That's what I wanted to say.
Exactly. I completely agree that always father is behind every step that the family takes. And even Nishant sir mentioned very beautifully that security factor. Absolutely, I think father figure is the important and the most important security factor in the entire family. So, Ashwin sir, to you, what is the role of a father?
See, I would like to differ a bit. The role of a father, what we think 50 years back the line, it was like he's a bread earner. He'll earn money for the family and all those things. But there was a survey in America which said right now 40% of the fathers, they are more into emotional well-being of the child. He has to support her to be happy, to be stress-free. That role is taking over more than the money factor. I think so.
Absolutely, I will completely agree because today's generation's father are more responsible for taking the emotional well-being, which is very important. So, thank you so much for this wonderful answer. Second question to you, Nishant sir. You have answered this a bit in your first question, but how important is a father's role in a child's life specifically?
Uh, See, I think, like you said, I mentioned before also that a father's role is as important as a mother's role in a child's life. To most children, to you, to me, and I'm sure to my friends who are here today online, they consider their fathers as their heroes because, even the word father figure, where it comes from, we always see our fathers and look up to them. We are very aspirational, when it comes to our fathers. So the sense of aspiration that comes to us comes from our fathers. Again, I read something very interesting online that if a mother gets pregnant physically, a father gets pregnant from here. So that's what
Nice point.
explains, how important a ro- you know a role a father plays
But
in a
very
child's life.
beautifully in this answer, also, you have summarized both the roles. When you mentioned about mothers being pregnant in their wombs, fathers being pregnant in their minds. So I think it depicts the responsibility factor that is shared eventually
Yes,
after the child
yes,
is
yes,
into
yes.
life. So thank you
and
so
and
much,
and
sir.
then, and then again, I don't mean to say that a father is someone who's on a higher plane. I think both go together, both work together when it comes to bringing up a child.
So I think
And
I really
like my
love,
friend here mentioned that the lines are blurring
yeah,
in this date and age. There are there are stay-at-home fathers who are taking care of children while mothers are working. So yeah,
correct.
there we have it.
Absolutely. And I think, these generation fathers I love, because they know the exact meaning of the term sharing responsibilities. Because
True.
earlier, when our fathers, the responsibilities were shared and they were like, as you mentioned, on the higher plane. So fathers,
Yeah.
एक specific role था कि fathers यही करते थे, mothers यही करते थे. But, this generation, the roles have changed and they have interlinked with each other so beautifully that even the fathers will stay home and take care of the children, whereas the mothers will go out and work. And it is accepted well in the society. Otherwise, there was a stigma, about, oh, tum bache sambhal rahe ho. I mean, it was taken like that. But now it is like, wow, tum bache sambhal rahe ho. So that difference is there. Bhavesh, sir, to you.
Ma'am, how important is father's role? Ma'am, we can't say that it's important father's role. It's important the role of a man in his family. मैम जैसे एक हाथ से ताली बजाओ तो आवाज नहीं सुनाई देती जैसे जैसे हिंदी की कहावत है तो दोनों हाथ से मदर हो या फादर both of the roles are important in a child's life for the development of his child. Like I'll give one of my example. When my elder daughter Pranshi, she was in nursery. She was appearing some exam in Mumbai, and during that time, my wife was pregnant with another child. So I was there to take her to Mumbai. We stayed there for 2 days. So that's why like it's an ongoing process. Like we go hand in hand. So as
Absolutely.
important is mother's role in a child life, the same is a father's life. Father, they both take the responsibility for a child to develop his or her future.
Exactly, exactly. So I really salute, because the thoughts that are coming in this generation are really going to make this generation very, very emotionally sound. Ashwin sir, what are your thoughts on this?
Yes, ma'am, because we have to be flexible because the times are changing now. The times are out where the females were like they were housewives and males were earning. Right now, everything is balanced out almost. Future will be like males will be more and more into taking care of the family, the child. It's totally okay, and like we enjoy doing that. So right now, I think the main responsibility of a father is emotional and well-being of the child. That is the most important thing right now.
Correct. So I think philosophical talks we've done a lot. Now let's come back to little
Yeah.
rapid fire kind of a theme. That is, what best can describe you, your dad, and you as a dad? So Nishant sir, this you have to answer as a son and as a father also. So what best can describe your dad and you as a dad?
What best can describe my dad? He's my best friend, and we share everything. And for myself, my daughter is still growing. I think only time will tell where I'm
Correct.
getting there at.
Correct.
But yes, when it
Wonderful.
comes to my father, he's my best friend, without a
Wonderful.
question.
Wonderful. Babesh sir, your dad?
And for me, my dad is the most hardworking guy I've ever seen. He always, if there's work always in his mind, he has to go to work, he has to work and work.
Wonderful. And you as a dad, how do you describe?
Um, I, as a dad, like that's a tough to answer, but for me, like I'm still being a friend to my daughters.
करेक्ट करेक्ट ये एक्चुअली ये आंसर है ना थोड़ा सा अपनी तारीफ करने का था तो आप लोग भी बहुत मॉडेस्ट बन गए हाँ so you are being very very generous in that kind of a thing
Man,
that you don't want to praise yourself.
no, ma'am, this is because still we are learning. We are learning from our children that to be a father.
correct correct
They, they, they
wonderful Ashwin
they are
sir
the one they are the one who are teaching to us that to be a father. And
correct
every moment we have to be careful. The way we go now, it's not now the same time.
wonderfully said Ashwin sir.
My father was a little strict. I won't say we were friends because those times it was difficult to be friends with fathers. He was strict, but he took care of the family a lot. But now, after he has become a granddad, he is totally chilled out and like he is also adapting with the changing times. अब हम strict होने से काम नहीं चलेगा. हमें तो एकदम relax जो बच्चों को करना है करने दो. ऐसा ही है.
करने दो wonderful so next question coming on your screen is for Mr. Nishant how you and your dad are similar कुछ similarity तो जरूर होगी.
Well, we share the same last name, obviously. Jokes apart, like I said, he's my best friend, and we share everything with each other. Our problems, our issues. We are in the same profession, so it makes it even more so that way
But
for
when I
us.
talk about similarity, Nishant sir, I just want to know any habit or look alike या कुछ ऐसा होता है ना जो बचपन में होता है कि ये एकदम पापा जैसा है.
Uh, when we are engrossed in our work, both of us are really engrossed and really there. જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં ધૂની કહીએ ને maybe
हाँ हाँ
I don't know
right
what people have to say about it, but yeah.
okay so wonderful. भावेश सर आपकी और आपकी कोई एक क्वालिटी जो एकदम सिमिलर हो.
Man, disciplined. He was very well disciplined and same what I am like. There are certain things which I have to follow. I need this thing. That means I need this thing in this manner. That's it. He was organized and disciplined. That's what
wonderful
I.
wonderful Ashwin sir.
मेरा मेरे फादर का तो हाइजीन से बहुत रिलेशन है. हम लोग हर बार पहले भी ऐसा ही करते थे कि हाथ धोया, खेला तो हाथ धोया, ये सब. उसके लिए मुझे मेरी वाइफ मेरे मॉम से सुनना भी बहुत पड़ता था. अब कोरोना के बाद वो लोग भी ऐसे ही हो गए हैं. हाथ धोया, पैर धोए, नहाया. तो ये सिमिलरिटी तो थी, अब सब में वो सिमिलरिटी आ गई है.
Wonderful. This is a very important question, Nishant sir. One important thing that your dad taught you.
Not one thing. He's taught me a lot of things. The most important thing he's taught me is be honest. Honesty, integrity is very important in life. Whatever you do it with conviction. Give it your best. Strive for the best. Live in the present and always stay relevant.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
Bhavesh sir?
My father taught me to be self-independent. Yes, that was the most important thing. He taught me not to be dependent on anybody. At some moment, he has asked me to be independent. That's why he at this time, he used to some financial sector. He was a first year education student. He has to leave his studies and go back to his work along with my grandmother. So he has taught me, and he asked me to be self-independent, not to be dependent anytime on anybody.
Wonderful, wonderful. Ashwin sir?
I would say this with a Hindi proverb. Actually, my wife used to say this. Like my father-in-law used to tell her कि एक मुर्गी चश्मदीदम कट गई उसकी गर्दन फिर भी उठ के चल पड़ी वो चश्मदीदम. It's a riddle. The answer is pencil. Okay, पेंसिल को हम शार्पन करते हैं, उसकी गर्दन कट जाती है, फिर भी वो उठ के चलती रहती है. वैसे ही हमें ट्राई करते रहना चाहिए, रिजल्ट जो भी आए. तो ये एक चीज मैं अपने डॉटर को भी सिखाता हूँ और फादर से सीखी भी है.
Wonderful, wonderful. Nishant sir, now as a dad, one thing that you want कि ये कुछ नहीं मेरा बच्चा सीखे तो कुछ नहीं, but ये चीज तो उसमें होनी ही चाहिए, and my child should learn at least this thing.
Not one thing, but like I said, whatever my father has taught me, I'm going to teach her that, and I'm also going to make sure that she develops some sort of skill or a skill set and some tangential learning. Like, when we were in school times, padhai karo. But in this date and age, I think this is something that, I cannot talk about it, but I have missed out on, good sports, learning music, or, learning some kind of a culinary art or something like that. So this tangential learning is as important and equally important as, studies and the rest, like I said. Yeah.
Wonderful. Bhavesh sir?
Ma'am, the one important thing I love to that much is the confidence, because I've seen students many times that the children, they are full of knowledge, but the one thing they are lacking confidence is there. So whether they are right or wrong, they must be confident of them, and that will be the thing. The confidence, it will push them to step forward and to learn what is right and what is wrong.
Absolutely, absolutely. Ashwin sir?
What I teach अनोखी is to live life, enjoy करो, मस्ती करो, क्योंकि अभी का जो टाइम चल रहा है, अभी जो सब लोग मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स एंड स्ट्रेस के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं, तो चाहे छोटा बच्चा हो या बड़ा, जो वो सीखना है वो सीख ही लेगा. हमें तो बस उनको ये बोलना है कि टेंशन मत लो, all is well.
Wonderful, wonderful. So Nishant sir, the next question coming up, any one song that defines your relationship with your child?
How to summarize, something so huge and so elaborate in one song? I think it is very, very difficult. But since you asked, any song that has to do with life, I think she is the best thing that has happened to both of us.
True.
So, yeah.
So can you sing 2 lines for us?
I'm a very bad singer, but I love that song. Love you, Zindagi, from Dear Zindagi. That's a wonderful song. I think that that song sort of encompasses my relationship with my daughter. Yeah.
Wonderful. Bhavesh sir?
Again, this was the toughest thing to do, and for me, every time I hear the song Ladki,
Oh, wow.
I see both of my daughters in that song.
And absolutely, I will relate with this, Bhavesh sir, because even my husband, when he sings with my daughter this Ladki song, so Alexa mein roz raat ko ek baar bajna hi bajna hai. So I think that song has a lot of emotional attachment, specifically father or daughter ka bond usme hai.
So this
Ashwin
song
sir?
is very close to my heart.
Yeah, I know, and it's a very emotional song, beautifully sung, and you can feel those lyrics, when they are sung. So it's a beautiful song. Ashwin sir?
मेरा तो ऑल इज वेल वाला गाना 3 इडियट्स का वही है फेवरेट. अनोखी के साथ तो वही रहेगा. मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, जो भी होगा मजे करो.
बट
मेरा
अश्विन
फंडा
सर
वही है.
देखा कि पूरे हमारे जितना भी अभी टॉक शो हुआ हमारा, यू हैव ऑलवेज कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन द इमोशनल और द स्ट्रेस फ्री काइंड ऑफ योर आंसर्स हैव ऑलवेज
हाँ, मतलब क्योंकि अभी का टाइम ही ऐसा है, लाइक अभी जो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो सुसाइड केस हुआ, उसके बाद पीपल आर डिस्कसिंग सो मच, बट एक
Right.
एक केस नहीं है, डेली देयर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ सुसाइड्स एंड लाइक इट इज टू बी डिस्कस्ड, इट इज नॉट बीइंग डिस्कस्ड दीस डेज। फादर्स डे का टॉपिक नहीं है, फिर भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब इट हैज टू
I
बी डिस्कस्ड।
completely
छोटे
agree.
बच्चों
Yes.
को भी स्ट्रेस हो जाता है।
True. So, Nishant sir, one more tough question comes on your screen. Any
Okay.
movie title that best describes your relationship with your dad?
See, like I said, this is such a huge thing and so broad, and there are so many shades that how to,
But
summarize.
if you can just shrink one and give me one, the closest or the nearest.
Ah, very difficult to say, but Good Will Hunting was one really good movie where the relationship of Matt Damon with Robin Williams, and how he brings about a change in his life, and there are so many good films.
I know. There are, I'm sure.
Anything, I think anything good, anything positive can be related for the relationship between the father and children, or
Absolutely.
between
And you
fathers,
cannot describe,
between children and mothers, yeah, and the whole family for that matter.
Absolutely. Bhavesh sir?
मैम वैसे तो मैं मूवीज बहुत कम देखता हूँ, मूवीज से मेरे को एलर्जी है। जैसे अश्विन मस्ती में आई वाज द मोस्ट मिस्टीरियस बॉय ऑफ आवर स्कूल, नॉट माय क्लास, माय स्कूल। तो 2 घंटा एक जगह बैठना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल काम है। वैसे फिर भी मैंने एक मूवी देखी थी फादर सन की रिलेशन, वैसे मैं रिलेट कर मैम वक्त जो मूवी है, his dad pushes him to work. He has got everything, but he wants his son to learn how to earn and how to face this society. So that's
Absolutely.
why my father sends me for procuring of, because we end up manufacturing of wheat and rice. So he sends me to Punjab. You go and buy. He has got all the contacts. He can do everything sitting away on one phone call. But he wants me to send there. He wants me to roam, to make new connections and to see how he has built up his empire. That's what.
Correct. So this Waqt is, I think, Akshay Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra's
या
movie, right?
करेक्ट।
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Ashwin sir?
मेरा होगा 1 और 1 11। वो सलमान, क्योंकि पापा और बेटा 1 और 1 है, जनरली उतना ट्यूनिंग सेट नहीं हो पाता है, पर ट्यूनिंग सेट हो गई तो 11 हो जाएंगे और फिर मतलब सब
और
कुछ
नहीं
कर
हुई
सकते
तो
हैं।
पैरेलल 1 और 1 दोनों अलग रहेंगे ही।
अलग ही रहेंगे, और हो गई तो 1 और 1 11 है फिर।
Wonderful. Nishant sir, you as a dad are best at what? What your child loves about you? I know all these questions are oceans, so to just pick up one thing out of this is going to be very difficult.
I see, it is again, like you only mentioned, it is difficult to say, but I was really bad at taking a selfie, and now I'm really good at taking a selfie thanks to my daughter.
Bingo. Wonderful. Bhavesh
I was
sir?
really bad at taking selfies.
I'm best at pampering.
ये आप भावेश सर आप मत बोलो, ये दुनिया के सारे डैड्स की बीमारी है, पैम्परिंग, और बिगाड़ के रख देते और फिर मम्मी का रोल होता है उनको सुधारना। सो ये पैम्परिंग वर्ड से तो मेरे को बड़ी एलर्जी है।
मैम जब भी घर पे मम्मी ने डांटा, मेरे को फोन आएगा, पापा मम्मी ने डांटा, प्लीज मेरे लिए शाम को ये लेके आना। बस बेटी का फोन है, ये चीज चाहिए, शाम को वो चीज आ गई घर में।
वही आई कैन कंप्लीटली रिलेट कि बच्चों को अगर कुछ भी बोलो तो सीधा फोन कहीं से भी डैडी को हो जाता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम हुई है, और डैडी को कुछ सुनना नहीं है कि प्रॉब्लम में मम्मी सही है या गलत है, क्योंकि मम्मी तो डैडी के लिए गलत ही होती है, बच्चे ही सही होते हैं। सो बहुत सही पकड़ा है आपने।
बच्चे तो भी बच्चे हैं, वो शैतानी नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा?
एब्सोल्युटली। अश्विन सर?
मैं आजकल रोल प्ले कर रहा हूँ नौकी के साथ, जैसे वो भीम देखती है तो मैं कालिया बन जाता हूँ, वो भीम बन जाती है, वो पेपा बन जाती है, मैं जॉर्ज बन जाता हूँ। तो ये आजकल अच्छा हो रहा है, मतलब कार्टून्स के तो अभी कोरोना की वजह से दे वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ कार्टून्स, मतलब जो नहीं होना चाहिए, तो फिर यही करना पड़ रहा है उनके लिए, हम कार्टून बन जाते हैं।
So Nishant sir, I think lockdown has given us this opportunity to babysit, So otherwise, pre-lockdown, did you babysit, Urja?
Yes, but not as much as I should have. I'll be honest.
Okay. Wonderful. So again, a next question will come up is that if you babysit, what is the best thing that you do to keep the child calm? and busy?
Do anything, you know, that helps develop her concentration. Something, it'll be very simple, but you know, something that helps develop her cognitive skills and, you know, her other skills. Like, I'll just give you an example, like, you know, sab dal ko ek katori mein mix kar do, and then, you know, then ask her to separate, you know, so that keeps her busy also and
So,
keeps her busy for a really long
I
time.
will catch you here, Nishan sir. That very nice. सब mix करके दे दो, वो बेचारा बच्चा ढूंढ रहे और हम cognitive
एक दो घंटे निकल जाएंगे.
और 1 घंटा उसका निकल जाए. वेरी नाइस. मम्मीज को ऐसा आइडिया क्यों नहीं आता है?
Actually, this is not my idea. This is actually my brother's idea.
Oh, wonderful. I can understand. तो
And,
मतलब
and since I am mentioning, and since I mentioned him, I'll tell you, he babysits Urja more than me. So much so that he's another mother for her.
तो वो बोलते हैं ना कि boredom is the invention of creativity, you know. So ये जो idea है, I can completely understand कि जो ज्यादा babysit करता होगा उसी का idea होगा. भावेश sir?
No, I'll be honest, I don't babysit her that much. Not as much as I should.
Ma'am, for me, it's only when it's required. When she is busy, she has got some appointment. She also works. She's a graphic designer by a profession. So when she has got some importance, she calls me and I come and babysit. That's only when required.
Okay.
And during babysit, there's only one task me and my daughters do. We start a music on a very loud music and we dance. That's what we do.
मतलब बच्चों को बिगाड़ने का पूरा आइडिया है आप लोगों के पास सच में. और फिर बच्चों को मजा क्यों नहीं आए डैड के साथ?
हम काफी वीडियोस है जो सिर्फ हम अकेले हॉल में जो म्यूजिक ऑन है, लाउड म्यूजिक, और हम डांस कर रहे हैं, बस वही है. मैं बाकी सब चीजों को मदद सिखाती है. चलो पढ़ाई करो, स्कूल का होमवर्क है, ये करो, कलरिंग करो. तो वो सब क्या करना है, हम कभी तो एंजॉय करें.
Wonderful.
No,
मतलब
he's right. Anything, you know, that, you know, kids love doing, we have to do it. And, you know, we have to be supportive.
Easier said than done. कई बार
with them.
हो जाता है.
So what happens, you know, Nishan sir, that every year when I hold this talk show, no, I feel that ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे घर में जो my husband as a dad का role जो play कर रहे हैं, he is the only character like this. But I find universally all the dads are sailing in the same boat. So it's pointless, you know, now to blame him because I fight with him. Ke you don't do this, and when I give you, you know, PU for babysitting, and you are playing loud music and dancing, and you do whatever she tells. But I think all the dads are same. All the dads are same. Ashwin sir.
Same.
I don't have to look for ideas because Small Wonders is giving ideas every day. चलो आज टायर वाला करवा दिया, चलो ग्लासेस रखवा के उसके आजू बाजू घुमवा दिया, तो वही सब फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज हो जाती है. वीडियोस देख के स्मॉल वंडर्स के तो हो जाता है, अच्छे से हो जाता है.
Wonderful, wonderful. So one important question again is coming, and this is a very beautiful question that I like. That any one similarity between you and your child, any one habit, any one talking style, or any food that you both like, something like that, Nishan sir?
She has my memory.
Wonderful.
And since you mentioned food, we are very lucky. She eats everything. She doesn't say no that I won't eat this. She has no tantrums when it comes to food. Touch wood.
Wonderful. So I think memory.
In Corona, they don't have any options also, right? They can't go outside. So घर पे ही खाना है.
खाना है. But Corona has taught us a lot of things, you know.
Really,
people,
खाने का प्रॉब्लम पूरा सॉल्व हो गया.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे लोग थे मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में कि जो ऐसा बोलते थे that every Sunday we have to go in a restaurant and eat, and they cannot live without that. But in Corona, they have developed that habit कि हम घर का खाना खा के भी जिंदा रह सकते हैं. So अगर संडे उन्होंने बाहर नहीं खाना खाया तो they will call and they'll tell यार जिएंगे कैसे बाहर नहीं खाएंगे तो. बट अब 3-4 महीने से हेल एंड हार्टी जी रहे हैं वो लोग.
हेल्दी. हाँ वही सही है.
भावेश सर, कुछ सिमिलैरिटी?
मैम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. आई एम वेरी मच ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, सेम एज माय बोथ द डॉटर्स. ये अगर ये पेंसिल यहाँ है तो यही होनी चाहिए, और अगर उसका होमवर्क या स्कूल का कुछ भी है सही नहीं लिखा गया है, she'll again rub it and she'll again do it, but she needs a proper thing like organized.
बट ये अच्छी सिमिलैरिटी आप लोग शेयर कर रहे हो. यू नो अगर ये थोड़ा अलग होता, सोचो कि फादर बहुत ये ऐसे हैं कि उनको थिंग्स पिक एंड स्पैन चाहिए, ठीक ठाक चाहिए, और बच्चे ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं हो तो सोचो मम्मी की कैसी हालत. ये तो घर में मेजॉरिटी लोग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है तो मम्मी थोड़ा डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो तो चलता है. सो वेरी नाइस कि ये क्वालिटी आप लोग शेयर कर रहे हो. वंडरफुल.
तो ये चीज मम्मी से पूछेंगे तो वो हमारे नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स कुछ बताएंगे, हम तो हमारा अच्छा ही बोलने वाले हैं.
नहीं, वो ऐसा मत बोलो, मम्मी भी जेनरस होती है। मम्मी को पापा की तारीफ करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि फिर अल्टीमेटली तो क्या है, बच्चों को कौन रखेगा, डैडी, तो तारीफ तो करनी बनती है। अश्विन सर, कोई एक
हाँ।
सिमिलैरिटी आपकी और अनोखी की?
अभी बोलूँ तो हम लोग इरिटेट हो जाते हैं कई बार, मतलब अभी पूरे दिन घर पे रहना है, दे आर नो फ्रेंड्स, तो एक दूसरे का ही फेस देखना है 50% ऑफ द टाइम, तो बहुत बार इरिटेट
Right.
हो जाते हैं। वो हम लोग दोनों ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि नहीं।
Wonderful, wonderful. Nishant sir, one important question that is coming. I think most of the dads do not participate in this. So let me see that how we all do it. Academics. Do you all look into it कि ये mama का ही काम है?
No, we do. I do.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And we should.
You are on the social media.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wonderful. I'm just jokes apart. I'm just kidding. Wonderful. So Bhavesh sir,
And sometimes, not always.
sometimes मतलब कितना? 10%, 20%?
मैम 20%, उससे ज्यादा नहीं।
Wonderful.
मेरा हर्ष
अश्विन,
में आपको पता है, मेरा पता है आपको।
वही मैं क्वेश्चन ला रही थी, तभी मैं जान रही थी कि आपका ही है इन्वॉल्वमेंट, बिकॉज आप ही सब मैसेजेस देखते हो, आप ही फोटोज पोस्ट करते हो, आप ही सब कमेंट्स लिखते हो, तो मेरे को मालूम है
मतलब
कि
थैंकफुली मेरे पास टाइम है बिजनेस से, तो मैं इसमें टाइम दे पाता हूँ और मेरे को मजा आता है।
wonderful. So Nishant sir, last question coming on your board is that your quality time activity with your child that you love to do.
Well, the age at which Urja is there, she'll be turning 3. I think all time spent with her is quality time.
Absolutely.
And this lockdown, especially, we've had a wonderful time. So,
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Bhavesh sir?
My quality time with my children, that is mostly on weekends, and it was not possible in during this lockdown also because I am into the essential services. So my quality time, like whenever we are there together on weekends, she loves color, I love color, I also love coloring. So we both make drawings and we do coloring in drawing. That's what we do.
Wonderful. Excellent. Ashwin sir?
एक थोड़ा कॉमिक सेंस में बोलूंगा, माय मोस्ट क्वालिटी टाइम इज जब वो लू में जाती है और कई बार उसको लाइक शी टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, मैं बोलता हूँ कितना टाइम और 2 3 ऐसे साइंस करती है, बैठी रहती है, फिर भी तो मैं बोलता हूँ चल ठीक है, अभी क्या करना है तो कर, नहीं तो हम चलते हैं।
Wonderful, wonderful. Nishant sir, one last question left. I could not see that, so I'm putting it. Real life hero. Any one character that you can identify that resonates with your personality as a dad?
my father, obviously.
Wonderful.
And for all kids, their fathers and their mothers are their
I will
real
second
life
that
heroes.
thought absolutely, because really,
Without a question.
without a question, that goes without. I don't know, this is imbibed in us or no, but every time when you ask the children that who is their role model, I think out of 100, 95% children will answer that my dad. Absolutely. So I
My
think
parents.
that responsibility of doing this role in a correct manner lies more on the father's shoulder. So I think that is why we justify this. Bhavesh sir?
I
Yes,
want
yes.
to interrupt here. Not just the father, but the mother as well, because there is a lot that kids learn from their mothers. Like I learned a lot of discipline from my mother, because my father was, he had a lot of responsibilities and he was doing what he was supposed to be doing. So, yeah.
Right. Bhavesh sir?
Same answer. My parents, like they are the real heroes, like in my life. And I've learned everything. That whatever I am today, I'm just because of them, because of all the sacrifices they've done just to develop me and to bring me and to stand in this position today.
Wonderful. Ashwin sir?
Same thing. I don't have anything much to say in that. Same thing. My father and my daughter also takes a lot of things from my father, and same thing.
Wonderful, wonderful. So before we wrap up today's show, Ashwin sir, Nishant sir, any message from your side to our listeners as a father that you want to say? Anything that touches you as a father and you want to address it today?
I think being a parent, it is one of the most beautiful things that can happen to you. Cherish it, enjoy it, and give it your best. You can go around reading books and this and that and everything, but it's always a learning experience. even if you have another child, it'll be a different experience altogether. So yeah, my best wishes to all the parents, to all the people out there, and blessings to all and all the kids there. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nishant
Thank
sir, for
you.
these words of
Thank you for
wisdom. Thank
having
you
me.
so much. Bhavesh sir?
My message would be simple, like enjoy what your child is and learn from them. And the most important thing, don't compare your children with any other children. Like this
True.
children
Very
is
true.
doing this and he's doing this. Please be let it be who they are and excel their quality which they have. So don't compare with other children.
Wonderful, wonderful message. Ashwin sir?
Yeah, same thing. Like these days, they are having online classes, so fathers should help the kid in all those things. They are not having any friends to whom they can go right these days, so they are the people whom they will contact you, and so don't get irritated and just spend good time with them and enjoy. That's it.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, before we wrap up our today's show, I would like to extend wholehearted gratitude to all the fathers, Mr. Nishant, Mr. Bhavesh, and
Thank
Mr.
you.
Ashwin,
Thank you for
for
having
being
me.
on this show
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
talking with honesty and giving all the correct points. I think that this was indeed a wonderful conversation in terms of learnings also. So I request the audience कि सारे questions मैंने type करके रखे हुए हैं. At home also, you can have a question answer round and it will be fun talking and taking that extract from your dad कि वो क्या सोचते हैं, क्या करते हैं. So this was a wonderful evening spent with the fathers. Once again, wishing Happy Father's Day to each and everyone listening to us. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, everyone.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.